Food for plants. Most plants and trees have green leaves. The green color is due to the presence of a substance called chlorophyll. Plants produce their own food by photosynthesis. Like us, plants need energy to grow. They get energy from the sun. Parts of a leaf. The flat, broad part of the leaf is called blade or lamina. The stalk, called the petiole, is attached to the stem. The two small flaps at the base of the petiole are called stipules. A main vein in the center, midrib, has many small veins attached to it. The veins help to transport water and prepared food to other parts. The tiny holes on the underside of a leaf called stomata let air, oxygen and carbon dioxide go in and out of the leaf. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in the leaves of every green plant. Photo means light and synthesis means to combine together. Chlorophyll in the leaves traps the energy of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, green leaves synthesize sugar from air, carbon dioxide and water. Green leaves use sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to make a sugar called glucose and release oxygen back into the air. The food prepared by leaves is used in a number of ways by the plant. Some food is used for growth of the plant. The extra food is changed into starch and stored in leaves, stems, roots and fruits. We eat these parts of certain plants. Unusual plants. In some plants like the cactus, the leaves are reduced to small spines, thorns. They make food in their green stems. That is why the stems of cactus are fleshy and green. Mushrooms do not have chlorophyll. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Activity to prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Step 1. Take a potted plant and keep it in the dark for about 24 hours. Step 2. Cover only one leaf partly with a strip of black paper. Keep the potted plant out in the sunlight for 4 to 5 hours. Step 3. Remove the covered leaf. Bleach the leaf by first boiling it in water and then in alcohol. Step 4. Wash it in cold water. Add a few drops of iodine solution. Conclusion: the part of the leaf that was covered with black paper does not turn blue-black. This part does not contain starch as it did not get any sunlight. So, sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Interdependence between plants and animals. Energy flow in living things. Plants and animals need energy to live, grow, and reproduce. We get energy from the food we eat. The food is made by green plants. The energy in plants is passed into humans and animals that eat plants, herbivores, and indirectly to animals that eat flesh, carnivores. Thus, energy flows from the sun to plants and to human beings and other animals. Balance in nature. The balance between living beings and the non-living environment is called the ecological balance or balance in nature. If something happens that increases or decreases the number of plants or animals, the balance is disturbed. If one animal becomes endangered, it puts other animals at risk. Similarly, if plants are cut down, the balance is disturbed. Other factors which disrupt the balance are natural disasters such as floods, earthquakes, etc. Human activities like construction, deforestation, etc. have upset the ecological balance in nature.